Hey guys, it's Des, and today I'm back. I'm gonna be going to the at-home store. I want to go in there and find some bins because I want to do like a mini, I don't know, facelift to like the hallway linen closet. So I'm gonna go in there and see if I can find like some bins that I like to organize, like the washcloths and like cleaning, maybe some cleaning stuff. I don't know, we'll see how we'll put it together, but I just want to go in there and see what they have, and if they have what I'm looking for. Maybe like some gray or brown baskets, something cute to go into the closet, and then I'll show you guys like the before and then the after of the closet and how I organized it and made it look a little bit more appealing, because right now it's literally just like towels sitting on top of the shelves and the washcloths, and like that's it. So I'm gonna take you guys to the store with me once I get there, and then we'll see what they have inside and if I can find anything. So at home was given very much Ollie's vibes, upscale Ollie's. So we're gonna go to another store because they didn't have what I was looking for at all. I found everything I needed in Home Goods, so it was definitely giving. And now it's like about to pour down raining, so I'm trying to take the cart back and get back to the car before I get soaking wet. And then once I get home, I'll show you guys how I'm gonna put everything in the linen closet. Okay, so what you're gonna need to paint is some acrylic paint. I got these from Michael's, and the little styrofoam brushes. So I mixed the acrylic paint with just a tad bit of water. Don't use too much water because it's gonna make the water start pooling on top of your shelves. So these shelves I took out of the linen closet. They were already painted white. They were wooden shelves. They were painted white, and I did not have the time nor the energy to sand these down to the regular, original wood and then stain them. So I just took this acrylic paint and painted right on top of it, and it actually turned out way better than I expected. So when you're painting, you want to make sure that you're going with the grain of the wood, not against, so that it still actually looks like wood and not just like a big brown painted surface. So you want to go with the grain of the wood, and I'm going to paint the top and also the bottom, because you're going to be able to see the bottom when you look in the linen closet. So make sure you paint the top and the bottom, and then one side on the front that's going to show. So just pick one of the sides that you want to paint. So I'm going to go over these one time, and then I let them fully dry overnight, and then I went in and painted the second coat after that. So again, here you see me painting and going with the grain of the wood. That is very important, and you want to just take your time. It doesn't have to turn out perfect, but you do want it to look somewhat professional and nice, because the whole point is to do a makeover to your linen closet. So you want it to look nice. Just take your time and have fun with it. This was actually really satisfying and enjoyable, especially because it actually turned out very, very good. I'll show you guys when I'm finished, when I put them in the closet, how they look, and they actually turned out really, really well. So for this next part, you want to go in with the sealant spray, whatever kind you choose. They have glossy and matte. I chose the matte look, and I did this inside of the house, but don't be like me. The instructions clearly say on the bottle to do it outside because of the smell and the fumes, so just make sure you do it outside. Here's a look at the inside of the closet before I put the shelves in. I actually repainted this white before I put them in. And the baskets that I chose, these baskets were all on sale except for two. So these ended up being $7 at Home Goods. And then the two white baskets here, I ended up putting all of our washcloths in. They were $16.99 a piece, so they were not on sale, but worth it because I can just put the washcloths in those without folding them. This basket was also on sale for $12. I think that said $12. And I put that at the top, and then this basket at the bottom I'll use for extra towels, and it ended up being $22. So everything ended up, all these baskets actually ended up being like around $80. It would have been way more if this stuff was not on sale. So here's a look at the linen closet after I put the shelves in. They turned out very nice, I think. And then I'm putting this bigger basket in the bottom. I'm gonna wind up rolling our bigger towels and putting the extra ones down on the bottom shelf. And in these two baskets, like I said earlier, I'm gonna put our washcloths in these two baskets here. And then on the top, I think I'll keep like our room sprays, starch, things like that in this top basket, just random items in the basket so it's not just sitting out. And then I have a couple of extra tissue rolls in this basket here. And then on the next two shelves I put the towels in already. And then my husband got these puck lights from Lowe's just to elevate the look. This was all his idea. I was definitely not going to do this, but when he said it, he went and got them, and then it actually turned out really nice. So you just peel off the sticker off the puck light and then just stick it. I stuck it to the back underside of each shelf, and it added a nice touch to the linen closet. So here's a final look at the closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.